Now you know how to explain what people and animals can or can't do. Let's practice the verbs we've studied today. I want you to look at the pictures and say what they can or can't do. Let's do the first one. He can't swim, dance, or climb. Yes, he can't climb. Can he climb? No, he can't. Good job. Let's do the next one. She can run, dance, or jump. She can run. Well done. Can she run? Yes, she can. You got it. I think we should do one more. They can dance, swim, or jump. That's it. They can dance. Well done. Hey, can you dance? Great. Unfortunately, I can't dance, but I can try.